Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Minute with Meghan. I am Meghan Marr, and today we're going to show you and talk about what we do to support you before, during, and after a lighting design where you specify a product with us. To start with, before anything is ever installed, we offer tools to help you design with confidence. ConfigCalc is available on our website for free, and it's used in conjunction with our power core fixtures. This is the configuration tool that you'll use to determine how many fixtures go on one circuit or a data enabler. It factors in luminaire type, power source, fixture resistance, and connector resistance, and total data run. And it calculates the overall power consumption in watts and amps, as well as taking all of the guesswork out of system planning. Online on our website, we maintain a detailed knowledge base of articles and spec sheets where you can get installation instructions, guidance on setup, commissioning, long-term maintenance instructions. But Meghan, what about when I have a project where I can't find the answer on the website? What do I do then? We have entire teams. LIAS group, LIAS stands for Lighting Application Support, and our application engineers are all here to assist you with product selection, product layout, bill of material confirmation. And then we can also assist with installation oversight and design support on site. This helps to ensure system performance as intended once everything gets to the field. Post-installation, we're also here to help. When you're writing shows, we have free software downloads for your content creation, for your commissioning, triggering, and playback. Behind all of this is an entire network in this building of dedicated professionals. They're outside of this building too. We have regional sales teams, product and marketing teams like me that are out in the field all the time ready to help. We also have a broad group of certified partners. They train with us regularly and can support projects locally. From concept to commissioning and beyond, we have one simple goal, and that is to be a partner that you can rely on long-term, even after the product ships. All right, I cannot wait to chat again. So we'll see you next time on A Minute with Meghan. Stay tuned for more.